What lowers the cytochrome P450 activity? Theoretically, all substances that lower the cytochrome P450 activity may slow the metabolism of the drugs and increase their blood levels. This may lead to an increased risk of toxicity or serious side effects. What increases the cytochrome P450 activity? Substances that increase the cytochrome P450 activity may speed up the metabolism and removal of the drugs. This can reduce the drug's blood levels and make it less effective. The downregulators or inhibitors include grapefruit juice, which inhibits the cytochrome 3A4, starfruit juice, which inhibits the cytochrome 2A6 and cytochrome 2D6, cytochrome 2C9, ginger extracts, which inhibits the cytochrome 2C19, garlic, which inhibits cytochrome 2E1, green tea or black tea, which inhibits the cytochrome 2E1. Lycopene in tomatoes inhibit cytochrome 2E1. The upregulators or inducers include tobacco smoke, which basically induce cytochrome 3A1 or cytochrome 3A2. Rooibos tea and fish oil induces cytochrome 3A1 and cytochrome 3A2. Curcumin induces cytochrome 3A4. Broccoli and cruciferous vegetables induce cytochrome 3A4. Ginkgo biloba induces cytochrome 1A2 and cytochrome 2D6. So if you're a patient, it is very important for you to consult your doctor so that he or she can take into account the diseases that you're suffering from and prescribe the required dosing regimen. That's all, folks. The idea is that metabolism should make things inactive and safe. But frankly speaking, that is one of the reasons that you should always read the leaflet and follow the dosing schedules. So if you're a patient and you have a fast metabolism, then you have to take the drug twice or thrice as compared to the other persons. That's all for today's lecture. Stay tuned for the other parts of pharmacokinetic lectures.